And I did a talk called "Friends Are Not Business Partners" because of
Like,
so many bad experiences I've had with sana friends pa kami ngayon, but then we're not anymore. Uh, and I talked about that and naging hit, naging naging kwento-kwento ng mga magkakaibigan. Oo nga, dapat pag-usapan
tama
natin 'to,
naman.
hindi porket magkakaibigan tayo, 'yun. So, and then I told myself, uh, why don't I write a book? That will be my legacy. That will be my gift to myself for my 60th birthday. And I did. I published a book called Friends Are Not Business Partners. Uh, I have a few more here because most of the books I donated to Brother Mo.